Welcome to my channel. Got hit with an age restriction on Twitter? X? No worries. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your age. Plus, if needed, I've added a Twitter X appeal form link in the description to help you unlock your account. Let's get started. Open the Twitter X app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. From the side menu, select Profile. Tap the Edit Profile button. Scroll down and tap on Birth Date. Tap your current birth date to edit. Hit the Edit option. Now enter your correct birth date. Make sure you're over 13. Tap Continue, then press the Save button to confirm changes. Note, if your new age shows you're under 13, Twitter may lock your account due to age restriction. To fix this, you'll need to submit an age verification form. I've added the Twitter X official support form link in the description along with the exact steps to fill it. And that's it. If your account got age restricted, follow the steps or use the form link below. If this video helped, like the video, comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more easy tech tips tutorials. See you in the next one.